Most people think a bad-smelling car is just annoying, but here's something most drivers don't realize. Some car air fresheners can release VOCs, volatile organic compounds, that may trigger headaches, nausea, or irritation, especially in small enclosed spaces. So yeah, your new car smell replacement might actually be making your commute worse. And that's exactly why this video matters. Because choosing a car air freshener isn't just about finding something that smells good anymore. It's about finding something that lasts, doesn't overwhelm your passengers, doesn't leak all over your vents, and ideally, doesn't fill your car with harsh, synthetic chemicals. And trust me, a few of these products sound amazing until you realize the maintenance is annoying, the scent fades fast, or they're way too strong for daily driving. Today we're ranking 6 of the most popular car air fresheners on Amazon, from luxury wood diffusers to smart electronic sprayers, to find out which one is actually worth putting in your car. And stick around, because the #1 pick completely surprised me. As always, links are in the description if you want to check pricing or availability. Let's get into it. First, quick reality check. The biggest mistake people make is buying air fresheners based only on scent names. Black Ice, Ocean Breeze, Vanilla Dream. Cool name, but how long does it last? Does it become overpowering in summer heat? Can passengers tolerate it? That's what actually matters. Starting at number 6. At number 6, we have the House of Olympus Mahogany Teakwood Luxury Car Air Freshener. This feels less like a typical car freshener and more like a luxury accessory. The scent profile is rich, masculine, and mature. Think premium cologne meets leather interior. It uses essential oils instead of the harsh, synthetic smell many cheap fresheners have. That's a huge plus for people sensitive to strong chemical fragrances. And visually, it looks premium. The hanging diffuser and bronze charm give it a luxury vibe most car fresheners simply don't have. But here's the catch. You can't control scent intensity. And in smaller cars, that rich fragrance can feel strong during the first few days. Also, once the scent fades, you're replacing the unit. Not ideal if you want long-term refill flexibility. Still, for luxury-focused drivers, this feels unique. At number 5, we have the Yankee Candle Car Jar Ultimate 3-Pack. This one wins on familiarity. Most people already know Yankee Candle scents. Beach Walk, Pink Sands, Sun and Sand. Safe choices. And they do a decent job killing everyday odors like food smells, gym bags, or coffee spills. The 3-pack pricing also makes this a budget-friendly option. But here's the problem: longevity. The up to 30 days claim feels optimistic. For many people, the scent gets significantly weaker after 2 weeks, especially during hot weather. So while it's affordable up front, frequent replacements can add up. At number 4, we have the Flower Vent Clip Diffusers. These are built for customization, and honestly, that's what makes them interesting. Instead of being locked into one scent, you add your own essential oils. Lavender, peppermint, vanilla, whatever you prefer. That flexibility is great, and because they're reusable, they're far less wasteful than disposable air fresheners. They also add personality to your car interior, especially for drivers who enjoy decorative accessories. But here's the downside. Your car vents control everything. If your AC isn't running, scent performance drops fast, and reapplying oils regularly can become annoying. Great customization, less convenience. At number 3, we have the Drift Car Air Freshener, and this is where things start feeling premium. Real wood, metal clip, minimalist design. It feels like something made for luxury cars. And unlike loud hanging fresheners, it blends into your interior. The amber scent is subtle and refined. That's a huge win for people who hate overpowering fragrances. And the refill system is smart. Buy the clip once. Replace only the wood scent blocks later. That's better long term. But here's the catch. Some buyers may find it too subtle. If you love strong fragrance blasts the moment you enter your car, this may feel underwhelming. At number 2, we have the Smart Car Air Freshener Diffuser. And this thing feels futuristic. Auto on and off. 3 spray modes, USB-C charging, motion detection. This is built for people who want complete control, and it performs extremely well. It actively sprays fragrance rather than waiting for airflow. That makes it more consistent than passive options. This is fantastic for rideshare drivers, heavy commuters, or people constantly transporting passengers. But here's the trade-off. You now own another device that needs charging, and if you hate maintaining gadgets, that can get old quickly. That brings us to number 1, the Enviroscent Auto Stix Black Vanilla and Mandarin. And this one wins because it solves nearly every common frustration. No liquids, no leaks, no charging, no messy oils, no overpowering chemical smell, and no constant replacements. These paper scent sticks use essential oils and avoid many of the harsher chemicals found in traditional air fresheners. That's huge for families and sensitive drivers. And the biggest win? Longevity. The full pack can last for months. That destroys most hanging fresheners that fade after a few weeks. The black vanilla and mandarin scent also feels balanced. Not too sweet, not too aggressive. Just clean and pleasant. Now, if you want maximum scent power instantly, the Smart Diffuser may still be better. But for most drivers, this is the easiest long-term option. And this is where people waste money. They keep buying cheap fresheners every few weeks without realizing those repeat purchases cost more over time. A better product up front often saves money later. So here are the final winners. Best Luxury Pick. House of Olympus Mahogany Teakwood Luxury Car Air Freshener. Best Budget Pick. Yankee Candle Car Jar. Best Customizable Option. Flower Vent Clips. Best Premium Minimalist Pick. Drift Car Air Freshener. Best High-Tech Option. Smart Diffuser. Best Overall? Enviroscent Auto Stix Black Vanilla and Mandarin. Check the links in the description because pricing changes often, and some of these bundles get discounted regularly. And if this video helped you stop wasting money on bad air fresheners, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.